Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Archaea, a group of microorganisms that often fly under the radar but play a crucial role in our ecosystem. Found in extreme environments like hot springs, salt flats, and deep-sea vents, Archaea are true survivors, thriving where most life forms cannot. Their unique structure sets them apart from bacteria and eukaryotes, with cell walls made of different materials and distinct genetic makeup. Despite their small size, Archaea pack a powerful punch in terms of importance. They contribute to nutrient cycling, help break down organic matter, and even play a role in biotechnology and medicine. Examples of Archaea include methanogens, which produce methane gas, and halophiles, which love salty environments. These tiny organisms may seem insignificant, but their impact on our planet is immense. Understanding Archaea is not just about biology. It's about appreciating the diversity and resilience of life on Earth. So next time you come across a hot spring or a salty marsh, remember that these seemingly harsh environments are home to some of the most remarkable creatures on our planet. In conclusion, Archaea are not just microscopic organisms. They are pioneers in extreme environments, essential players in the grand scheme of life. So let's give these tiny but mighty creatures the recognition they deserve. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of Archaea.